How to make Uber Eats driver account. So in order to create account on Uber Eats app, you just have to open the Uber Eats application. But before that, remember that in order to make the Uber Eats driver account, you have to install the Uber driver account and log into your Uber driver account. If you don't find that application, you can simply head towards the Play Store or App Store and search for Uber driver, and this app look like this. You can simply install it and then you can create account on it. After that, you need to open Uber Eats app and you need to log in with the Uber. For that, let's tap on that Uber driver account and then you can easily open the Uber Eats driver account or create from this. So let's tap on allow Uber Eats to access this device location. So you need to tap on while using the app, and here you can. Before that, if you don't know how to create or log into your Uber driver account, you can simply open the Uber driver app and tap on get started. And on this page, you have to enter your mobile number, or you can also continue with Google or email and select the continue button. Now you have to enter the 4-digit code that has been sent to your mobile number and verify it. Once done, you will get access to your Uber driver account, and your Uber Eats driver account will also be created from there. So in this way, you can easily make Uber Eats driver account. I hope this video was helpful.